Hello, my name is Joe Gatt, product specialist here at Atlas Copco for Fixtured products. In this video, we are going to cover a few different licensing scenarios for Fixtured products. So with the release of the 310 software, licenses have been introduced, and the goal of this video is to help you understand how many sync licenses you will need in different scenarios. So let's begin by covering different licensing scenarios. In licensing scenario 1, we have a 2-spindle system. Sync mode 1 runs 2 spindles synchronized. Sync mode 2 also runs 2 spindles synchronized. And in sync mode 3, we're running only one of the 2 spindles. All of these are used on the same virtual station, so in this case, we just need 2 sync licenses. In licensing scenario 2, we have a 4-spindle application using the same controller with 2 virtual stations. We are using 4 modes in total. Sync modes 1 and 2 run in parallel, meaning at the same time, and also sync modes 3 and 4 run in parallel. Sync modes 1 and 3 belong to virtual station 1, and sync modes 2 and 4 belong to virtual station 2. So in this example, we only need 4 sync licenses as none of the spindles are used outside of their virtual stations at the same time. For programming, you create 2 virtual stations and assign 2 sync licenses to each virtual station. In our last scenario, licensing scenario 3, we have a 4-spindle application using the same controller with 2 virtual stations. We are using 3 modes in total. Mode 1 is all 4 spindles run synchronized. Mode 2 uses 2 of the 4 spindles. And both mode 1 and 2 belong to virtual station 1. Mode 3 uses 2 of the spindles from virtual station 1 and is ran at the same time as mode 2. So because we are running mode 2 and 3 in parallel, 6 sync licenses are required. 4 for virtual station 1 and 2 for virtual station 2. So there you saw a handful of different licensing scenarios. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please contact your local Atlas Copco representative. Thank you for watching.